In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the Hostgator Cpanel. This process consists of a number of simple steps, each of which I'll explain thoroughly to ensure you can follow along easily. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Hostgator homepage. You can do this by typing hostgator.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Hostgator is one of the leading web hosting platforms, so you'll find yourself on a page filled with various hosting options and services they offer. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a sign in link. Click on that and this will take you to the login page. Here you will need to enter your credentials, which typically include your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to retrieve it, so don't worry. After you're signed in, you'll be directed to your account's homepage. This is where all your account information and options are easily accessible. The next step is to locate a link that says websites. Clicking on this link will expand your hosting details and give you various options to manage your sites. Within this section, look for a button labeled settings. Clicking on this will allow you to adjust various preferences and settings associated with your hosting account. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they'll help you manage your website effectively. Now, as we move forward, you'll notice another option that says Advanced. This is where some of the more technical details of your hosting account are housed. You'll want to click on Advanced to proceed to the next step. Once in the advanced settings, the word Cpanel will become visible to you. Clicking on this will redirect you to the Cpanel login page. The Cpanel or control panel is a powerful tool that Hostgator provides, allowing you to manage everything from website files to domains and databases. After clicking on Cpanel, you should now find yourself on the Cpanel dashboard. This is the central hub for all your website management tasks. Here you'll find a wide array of options to maintain and customize your website's infrastructure. Take some time to explore it once you're comfortable with the basics. To recap, you logged into Hostgator, navigated through your account settings, and arrived at the Cpanel dashboard. All crucial steps for managing your web hosting efficiently. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips and insights into web hosting and management.